Good morning. No, good afternoon. How's everybody doing? Dave in Kentucky here, sipping some water. Downtown Grill and Brewery, Knoxville. It is afternoon, so probably saw the thumbnail. We have the Muir wood shaving soap by Barrister Man. We have the matching splash, and I have my long Yakimono Ebonite. Nothing does this brush justice. The color on it and stuff. It's in here the color doesn't show up as much unless you see it in person. But anyway, it has a 28 millimeter reserve 6 knot. So let's go ahead and we'll start getting some lather going here. Got my Parker Vices shirt. It's my recent Vice for Vices. I have about 3 Charles Parker Vices in my shop. I call it a shop. It's just a 12 by 24 shed that I piddle and do some work in. Anyway, the razor we're going to use today is from 2012, so some may know it as known as one of the first, if not the first, stainless steel produced safety razors. It was a machined handle. It came with 3 different handles, I believe, and a cast head. Some of them had a problem. They were a little wavy. Mine is not. It's the Weber polished head razor. I have the wave handle. So, should have shown that I have some growth here. I don't know how many days it is, a few days. We've had some painting done at the house, kitchen, living room, dining room, and redid the cabinets. That's always fun, moving things around. Now the wife is off looking for furniture. Yeah, we need a new couch or sectional. Can't make our mind up. All right, let's see. We do have a Wizamet blade in this. It does have the, I don't know if you can see underneath of it. It says Weber USA on the castings in there. Probably not visible for you. Maybe it is. I don't know. Anyway. Haven't used this one in a while, but it's a good shaver. Just a touch of blade feel, but enough to let you know where the blade is, get your angle. But not menacing, as I'd like to call it. Usually things I say right before I draw blood, weeper or something. We'll see. Don't know how old the blade is that's in it. Like I said, it's been a while. It's been in there with in the case, the other razors. I keep a handful here handy, and then others are all in the case in the other room there for display. Need a little more water in this. If you know the omnibus base, it's near impossible to break the water band on it. And I think this knot is oh, there's a text. Probably another picture, another sofa she wants me to see. What I was going to say is this knot's got more soap in it to build the lather on my face. I am pretty certain. Let me check this real quick. What does she want? Does she not know we're doing a video? Let's see. Nope. False alarm. The mail's been delivered. If you don't have informed delivery from the post office, you ought to get it. It's free if you have an account. The account is free. Your phone will go off when you... Most times when a shipping label is created to deliver to your address, you'll get a text notification. You can get email notifications as well. It'll let you know as it gets scanned at various points along the route, along the way as it's coming to you from whatever state. It lets you know when it's delivered, when it's out for the day it's out for delivery, and then when it is delivered. Seems like those LEDs, that light's not that old. Those LEDs are flickering. Thank you, Amazon. Anyway, it's a handy feature if you get razors or other packages and things coming in. It's nice to know. Especially if you've got as long a walk to the mailbox as I do. I don't know if anybody saw that that someone posted to just the other day. It was about a week since my last video, and I recognized the individual. If they're long-time subscriber or not, I have a feeling they're not. But anyway, they were asking me my last name. What's your last name? I just see a little blood on that. A little weeper there. Saw it in the soap as I was rinsing it off the razor. Anyway, they were asking, what's your last name? And I said, Kentucky. Dave in Kentucky. And like, no, what's your full name? I'm like, I'm not giving that out on an open form like this. Let me get a rinse. And I said, what's the KY stand for? I said, Kentucky, Dave in Kentucky. Anyway. Then he said, I couldn't read what your name, what the thing said on the right of your shirt. I said, it said Ketch, Kech. And then next thing I know, he's deleted all the posts. Since I responded to them, when he deletes his, they're all gone. So it disappeared completely. I'm like, man, that was weird. I think I have a stalker. Oh, I need a shave. Let me get the brush cleaned up here. Just give me a second. Where are we at? Oh, we're only 11 minutes or so. You know, I realized I was up to like 9 or 10, maybe 9 Allen Long brushes. And it's like, I just didn't need that many badgers. I just kind of went crazy with him because he does such great brushes. Knots. Anyway, so I'm assuming you can still hear me. Anyway, so this one is a really nice one of the Ebonite. And like I said, the colors don't really show up as good as they are in person. A lot of the lightness in the Ebonite is missing. You can see it a little better on the bottom of it. But anyway, so I let a few of them go. Still have 5 that I plan on keeping. There's only one other I'd possibly let go of, but I'm reluctant to let go of that. But anyway, Alan, if you're seeing this, which I don't know that he watches the videos, but thank you, man. Love your brushes, and shared a few with others because I know they're hard to come by to get you. You stay busy. Anyway, Weber polished head razor. Sorry, turn that off. Polished head razor. The little weeper there is going to clear up fine. Wave handle. Great little shaver. Let me hit it with some juice here, and then we will let you go. I appreciate you joining me for a shave. Seeing what's going on here. I don't like playing Yahtzee. The game's kind of dicey. Give you a couple dad jokes real quick. Word on the street is somebody dropped a Scrabble game, went all over the freeway. Get it? Word on the street. Anyway, there's a new movie out that, did you see that, about tractors? I just caught the trailer. Anyway, a couple dumb dad jokes for you. Dave in Kentucky. Enjoyed that shave. Hope you're having good shaves as well. Be kind, be safe out there, and we'll see you on the forum.